Hi, I'm going to be drawing the chart to my right. This is what the picture looks like. Right now I have the code that I'm supposed to tweet imported, and what I'm supposed to do is make sure that the colors are, it says, modify the turtle chart program so that the bar for any value of 200 or 2 or more is filled with red, values between 100 and 200 are filled with yellow, bars representing less are filled with green. And so that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to use an elif statement. And so I'm going to start out by using a helper function. I'm going to do draw bar, which is what we have here. And then, let me put the code parameters. So the parameters is going to be the distance and the height. And we have our Docker strings, get turtle, T to draw 1 bar.
I really see it like everyone is able to focus in on one thing and then be more productive.
If height, sorry guys, I am in a loud setting because I moved, so I don't have Wi-Fi currently. I'm gonna make sure to fill this one with red. And then elif height will be less than or greater than 100, greater than and equal to 100. And we can put all of this in the same line, and we want to make sure this one fills to yellow. And we want to tell that, so if not else, then fill deb color with green. And that is all we're doing. Let's see what it looks like when I run it. Okay. Let's see if it works now. Okay, oh, this is what we forgot. We forgot to start begin fill. That is something that has to happen. If we don't tell it to begin filling, then it won't fill and tell it when to stop filling. Which we will do here. Oh, I have it here, right here. So I deleted some of the code, that's why it's doing that, but let's see if it works now. Okay, see, it works. Awesome. Thank you so much I'm sorry for the loudness and the noise, but yeah, I am currently in somebody else's house trying to finish this because my Wi-Fi is still being set up. Thank you.